What's up mga ka-traders? Welcome back to our midweek stock market review live session. Before we start, disclaimer muna tayo. This presentation is for educational purposes only. Final decision should be undertaken with your own due diligence. Use this strategy and trade it at your own risk. Undertaken with your own due diligence.
Good evening mga ka-traders! Welcome to Win Trades channel. Yan. Ang aga ni Mang Kinor. Mang Kinor. Mang Kinor not. Kumusta? Kumustang trade natin? Share muna natin yung link para madaming viewers na makapanood. Kumusta?
Sup.
Kinor. Rinig ba, boses? Maglit lang ha. Share muna natin. Yon. Astig ng pormahan. Ang titikas. Shout out, Mang Kinor. Akyat ka din, Mang Kinor.
Shoutout sa'yo, sir. Kinar not.
Ayan, habang inaantay natin yung ibang viewers, pasadaan muna natin yung index natin. So, sakto lang yung bounce ni index. So 7.1. 7,080 level. So, nauntog siya sa 7.3. Around 7.3. Yan. So, maganda pinakita niya, hammer. Lumalaban yung index natin. Kala ko kahapon, babasagin na tong 7,000 natin. Pero maganda pinakita, lumalaban yung index. Matinding bad news yung kahapon eh. Kasi nag-lockdown yung Europe UK ba? Si paring Boris. So sana babalik siya sa 7.3. So mukhang sideways lang si magsa-sideways lang siguro si index. So bounce siya dyan sa 7K, balik sa 7.3. Sana ganun. Sana ganun gagawin. Ayan. Baka mag-sideways lang siya dyan. Sana ganun yung tatake.
Sideways down, no? Para makabili.
Para makabili.
Hindi na siya cheap price eh.
Oo, mataas na. Mataas na binyahe natin.
Sa support natin.
Binyahe natin, oh. Nung simula nung nag-breakout siya dito sa 6.6, around 6.6, ang haba nito. Ito, oh, ang haba niyan. So mukhang mag-sideways muna. Sana dyan lang sa 7 level. Hindi na siya bababa sa 7K. Maganda kung gano'n.
Positive naman sila, di ba? I mean, yung vaccine. Meron lang yung dumating na bago na COVID strain na from UK. So,
yeah. Tama. So, yun yung kaya nagkagulo kahapon. So, baka na lang natin. Ganyan. Tapos ganyan. O sana breakout. January. Diba?
make it or break it.
Siyempre, bias tayo. Tagal ng tagal ng bagsak ni index. Dapat ka-recover na yan.
Layo na yan.
Layo niyan. Mula March from 4.7 na to. 4.5. Nag 4,000 nga ito eh. Ayan 4,000 level.
Ganda niya, no?
Ganda nung salo dyan. So, ayun. Sana hindi mabasag to. Kasi pag mabasag yan, pwedeng balik dito. Sa 6.5. Pag malala yung yung virus sa UK, kakalat, baka babalik yan sa 6.6.
Yun lang.
So, yun yung Kasi bagong strain eh. So, hindi covered na ng yun. Vaccine. So, back to zero na naman ulit.
Pero sabi nila, di ba, galing daw ng Australia yun?
Ayun ang hindi ko alam.
Yun ang, kung ganon, naku, ibang another Western country.
Oo. Pero maganda ang pinakita ni index. O baka lang, dahil Pasko na. Ni hammer kanina eh, di ba?
Kanina nag-open ng di ba? Mababa, pula. Tapos nai-push lang.
Bumagsak, bumalik sa 7.1 eh. Tapos binalik. Ang lakas nga eh.
Finish lang, no? Galing nga eh.
Around 7.2. Oh, maganda. Pamaskong handog siguro para makalabas sila. na makalabas. Meron pa ata tayong ano eh, 2 trading days, 3. 30, 31, wala na eh. So 28, 29 na lang. Ang
2029.
may 2 days pa na ano, trading. Baka iuntog pa nila yan 7-3.
Retest, no?
Oo, retest nila yan. So, yun.
Pero tataas na ng value ngayon, no? Previously, mga 3 billion lang. Ngayon, umaabot na 8 eh.
Oo. Madami nang nagpa-participate na ano, foreign. May mga foreign na ano.
Taas yan.
Oo. Parang nagdoble na. Tingnan mo yung average.
Oo nga.
Average niya. So, malaki na. So, ayos lang. Basta hindi lang mabasag yung 7. 7K, matibay na dapat yan. Yun. Abangan lang natin yung ano, COVID sa
6.5.
Okay. Kung anong kalalabasan. Pero alam na naman mga tao eh. Alam na naman tayo nag-ano na mga tao ngayon. Nagmamask na naman mga tao ngayon. So, sa hindi
Pilipinas
malala. Oo. So, sana hindi malala yung ano. Next, ano. Parang next, ano na yan eh. Next wave na naman yan.
Inopera na nga yung asawa ko ng vaccine dito.
Oh?
Oo. So, Pfizer.
Paano?
So, sabi
siya? Magpapatok siya.
Unahin mo na daw yung mga lokal. Hindi naman ba kayo travel eh. Tsaka wala naman tayong community cases dito. So,
Tsaka ano naman eh. Basta hindi lang labas ng labas eh.
Oo.
Minimal lang yung labas. Okay naman.
Galing nga ng Singapore. Grabe.
So, yun yung masasabi natin, masasabi ko kay index. So, yun, antabayanan natin yung bagong strain ng COVID, kung gaano kalala yun, kung gaano epekto. So, defensive lang din. Kung mag-retest yan dyan, may option kayong take profit kahit kaunti, bawas-bawas na kaunti. So, yan. Defensive.
Year, no?
Kasi nasa taas na din tayo eh. Medyo mataas na yan. Check natin yung RSI. Yan. Bumalik na pala sa 60. Ayan. So, sakto lang. Pati RSI nag-sideways eh. So, yun. Ka-sideways lang din muna. Sabi naman ng mga broker na sideways daw. So, yan. Sana hindi na babasag yung 7K.
Sideways down daw. Palabas mo na daw sila.
So, yun. Piliin nyo lang yan. Selective lang. Siguro selective lang kayo na yan. Selective stocks lang. Yung mga malulupit lang yung i-trade nyo. Yung mga mahihina, wag na muna. So, ayun. Yun yung masasabi ko kay index.
Operating na ba ang Cebu Pacific? Nakakabiyahe na ba sila?
Sa sa domestic, meron ng pailan-ilang lugar. Kasi marami na rin nakakauwi na na mga OFW sa probinsya. So, selective lang siguro. Baka hindi lang
international wala pa.
Ayun ang hindi ko alam. Pero ang Cebu Pac na sila eh. Nag-refund na. Nag-refund na sila eh. Nakatanggap pa ng refund eh.
Sana
nag-refund na sila. So, ayun. Ayos na. Ibig sabihin may pera. Nag-peace sale na nga sila eh. So, baka na. Hindi ko sinilip eh kasi hindi pa naman tayo makakauwi.
Kailan tayo makatravel eh.
Oo.
Hirap. Ito yung Paskong malungkot para sa ating mga OFWs.
Oo. Ito lang yung ano natin eh. Pinakakaintay natin eh, tapos biglang di maka-out.
Pero okay lang kasi isipin mo 300% up ka na from your for this year, right? Diba?
Secret.
300%.
Ganun talaga eh. Ang laki naman ng inangat ni index eh. Ilang percentage yan. Kung nabotoman mo yan, almost
80%, no?
80% na siya, almost bagger na. So, expected yan.
Grabe.
Madami na namang kumita.
Madami.
Oo. Basta yung bumili dito. Pero yung mga mga naipit dito, ayun yung di natin
Break
alam.
even lang yan.
Oo.
Tingin ko break even lang yan sila.
Kasi nagbobodega sila dito. Pero yung iba, yung mga naipit sa now daw eh. May nakikita ako sa mga group chat, naipit sa now, naipit sa dito. Nung bumagsak to, bumili sila ng bumili. So ngayon, mita na. So, yun.
Average down.
Depende. Selective stock nga lang yung yung mga malalakas na stock, yung mga nakakabangon. Pero yung mga mahihina, yun.
Kailan daw ang rollout ng dito?
Ano pa? March. March pa sila mag-start.
Mag-start ng
Commercial launch. Tapos, technical, ata nila sa dito is January. First week ng January. Technical test ng DICT.
Wow.
So, yun. Kabang-abang yan. Sa mga dito holders, yun. Kabang-abang yan. January 8 ang schedule eh. Pero di ko alam kung Sabado yung 8. So, baka 7.
Mahina ang dyan. 10 over pataas.
Sana. Sana.
Hold lang yan.
Kasi, ako, bias ako sa dito.
Mukhang pang long term na tell yan, no?
Depende. Depende sa mangyayari. Abangan lang natin kung Ayun. Welcome, Boss Sean. Si Aiday. I-review muna natin yung top 5. Kaso, binuhusan yung top 5 natin eh. Nagtempo sa buhusan eh. Ayan Now. Lumalaban si Now. So, ganun pa rin. Lang, bumalik lang sa nangyari. Naku. Balik sa resistance level. Ayan. Sakto lang pala sa triangle. Bumalik lang. Ayan. So, balik lang.
Anong kwento kay Now? Bakit tumaas ulit yan?
May ata yung nila, Now Telecoms. Tanong si Mang Kinor, do you trade aggressively 2 days na lang for the remaining trading days or do you stay away and secure your gains? May narinig kasi ako na window dressing na pag December. Ano po ibig sabihin nun? Ayun. Depende po sa strategy nyo. Pwedeng madami nang nagre-reset Nakikita ko sa mga group, Facebook group. Nagbenta na sila, nagre-reset na sila ng So, depende sa hawak nyo. For example, hawak ko dito. Hindi ko bibitawan yun dahil may aantayin ko yung mga milestone ni dito. So, depende sa hawak nyo. Kung mataas na yung hawak nyo, so, pwedeng bawasan. Kung ako, mayroon akong hawak na iba, pwede kong bawasan yun. Tikim-tikim muna. Pang Noche Buena. Diba? Pero wala na. Next week na ulit yung trading. So, pang New Year na. So tingin ko for now, may buhay pa. Pag mabasag siguro itong trend line or itong 460, papangit na siya. Yan. Mabasag yung 460, papangit na siya. Babalik siya dito sa below 4 or 4 level. So about sa now. So sa ngayon, binalikan lang yung trend line resistance na naging support. So parang RTS. So yun yung masasabi ko kay now. Sa PAL naman, ayun, binuhusan. I think, na hit yung cut loss level natin dito. Siyempre, ang issue kahapon is may panibagong strain, nag-lockdown sa Europe. So, isang apektado nun, direct hit yung mga airlines. Kasi ila-lockdown, walang mga biyahe. So, yun, imbis magluluwag na, magsara uli. So, yun. So, kala natin, breakout na o magbe-breakout na sa descending. Pero, ayun na nga, binalik. So, ano na lang muna. Kung ako, may hawak ko ng PAL, may cut ko na to dapat. Kasi malaking issue yung yung bagong strain ni COVID. Kung lalala yon, baka babalik to dito si PAL. Mabasag to. So, ayan. Pwedeng ganun. So, sana hindi mabasag. Mag-bounce lang. Pero parang doji yung last candle. So, nag-aabang lang din. Indecision. So, yun yung masasabi ko kay PAL. TEL. Ayun. Oh, look at TEL. Bumawi. So, expected, ang lakas ni index, nag-hammer. So, isa sa malaking weight ng index itong si TEL. So, kasi lumaban si TEL. So, parang lang din. Yan dito. Nasa resistance level lang din siya. So, ganun na lang natin. So, ang susip nyo dito kay TEL, mabasag niya yan. So, yan na lang. Yan yung confirmation. Kasi kung mabasag yan, ibig sabihin malakas na din si index. Pabasagin na niya yung 7.3. Nang mabasag yan. So baka mag-sideways lang din to. Nasa support level lang din siya, nag-bounce. So parang yan yung box niya. Small box. So susi dyan, mabasag niya to. Yung line na yan. Yan yung masasabi ko kay TEL. Kay IDC. Ganun din. Doji din si IDC, indecision. So within the box pa rin. So within the box lang si IDC. So same sa top 5 natin, mabasag niya yan. 330. So ngayon, parang wait and see lang muna si IDC. Doji. Clear na doji. Oh. So, indecision yan. So, yun yung masasabi ko kay IDC. IRC. Si IRC ang binuhusan kahapon. Ito. Na-hit na niya yung cut loss level natin. So, nag-bounce lang siya sa resistance dati, na naging support. So, around that level. So, ganun din, indecision. Pero, if i-check nyo itong RSI niya, mababa na, nasa 40 na. So, medyo na to. Magtatagal na to dito. Either mag-sideways or continuation pababa. So, check natin sa next trading day kung ano yung pakita niya. Pwede siyang mag-sideways. Sideways dyan. Or, tuloy-tuloy yung pababa niya. Ayan. Yan lang po yung masasabi ko kay IRC. Good evening, kaTrader Renji. Yan. Yan yung masasabi ko kay IRC. So, ayun, may pala tayo ngayon, guest. Pinakamalakas na Santa Claus natin. Pamaskong handog ni Ninong. Yan.
Mukha lang Santa Claus. Katawang Santa Claus.
Yan. Yan. Magtuturo siya ng Harmonic sa inyo. So,
May mga request ng viewers mo. Rocks and...
Sige. Ano ba ito? Ito. Ayan. Pakilala ka. Introduce yourself, Ninong, sa natin.
Hey guys. Good evening. Ako nga pala si Ninong JM. Yeah. OFW from Singapore. Yeah. I see a lot of viewers and comments. Yeah, good evening sa inyo. So, yeah, tonight, a few of harmonic patterns, ABCD, bat pattern, and some of Fibonacci. So, daanan natin ang Fibonacci, Siyempre, is a basic one. Yun ng harmonics. Yan, kaibigan ko. Salamat pala. Winning trades. Sa iyong magandang papadalang t-shirt.
So, sa mga gusto pong mag-avail ng merch dyan, comment lang po kayo or PM nyo ako. Sige. Share ka na ba ng mo?
Okay, ready ko lang yung PowerPoint natin.
Sige. So, pa-hashtag naman dyan, Ninong. Merry Christmas, Ninong. Baka naman.
Merry Christmas sa inyo, Mang Kenor. Renji Sales. Susan Ko, Jay, and Sian Gileta. Yeah, Merry Christmas sa inyo sa lahat ng viewers. And I believe si Market, no, binigyan na kayo ng maraming pamasko. Ewan ko na lang kung hindi pa kayo kumita dito sa bull run na ginawa niya. Bounce, ang lakas ng bounce niya actually. Yeah.
Ang bilis. Talagang
Mabilis.
yung bounce niya. Oo, mabilis yung bounce niya ngayon. Mabilis yung bagsak. Mabilis din yung ano. Oh.
So, sabi nga nila is, kung aakit daw is stairs. No, ang bull daw kapag umakyat gamit ay stairs. Kapag ang bear daw is tumatalon sa bintana. So,
elevator.
tumatalon sila sa bintana. So, ingat kayo. Anyway, let's proceed. Teka, ayusin ko lang yung aking pang Fibonacci natin. Share your screen. Application. Right. Okay na, nakita na yung screen ko.
Di pa. Sige lang. Wala pa eh. Ay, ito. Yan.
Yep. Hey guys, good evening once again. Yeah, welcome kay sa WT YouTube channel. Hit like and share it. And
share nyo pala sa mga friends nyo, sa mga groups, para ano, bihira lang magpa-unlock yan si Ninong. Buti pa naging pasto. Ha?
Kundi dahil sa t-shirt eh.
Oo. Sa t-shirt yan. Pang malakasang t-shirt.
Actually, sakto-sakto yung t-shirt, no? Oh. Kaso nga lang, large nga.
Ano ka talaga yan para sa'yo?
Alright. So, let's do this. So, Fibonacci. Ano ka makikita yung ano?
Ano yan?
For a moment. I think I have to double screen para makita ko yung ano.
Ay, yung mga comment?
Yung itsura ko sa ano.
So, tanong lang po kayo guys kung ano. May mga tanong kayo. So, pasadahan ni Ninong yung Fibonacci, tapos tsaka na yung harmonics. Naka-base kasi yung harmonics sa Fibonacci.
Okay. Okay guys. So, Fibonacci, you know. So, I think it's an algebra, no? So, napag-aralan nyo naman ito. So, yung mga levels. So, marami tayong mga levels ng Fibonacci. So, meron tayong 0, 382, 50%, and 61.8%, 78.6, 886, and 1. So, beyond that is Fibonacci extension. We call it Fibonacci extension. So, I'll be discussing some of this etong until 100, but we will be using some of until here. But it's pretty easy naman, no? Since Investogram meron na siyang ganito na Fibonacci na retracement chart. So, ang important levels, of course, no, first line of support when it comes to retracement is 382. First line of support. Second is the golden ratio is the 61.8. And most of the traders, use this to nasaan ba yung pang drawing ko? Okay. If you have questions, you can freely ask. So most of the traders, ginagamit nila tong dalawa. It's either sa retracement. No. So most of the traders use this. But tonight, I will discuss to you these two very important levels, especially in the bear market. Especially sa mga, we call it the potential reversal zone. So these two levels is derived from this 61.8%. Now if you square root this 618, no, you will receive 786. If you square root it again, you will receive 886. No. So, and then of course the number 1. So these levels are important. Papayawan ko na rin na sa golden ratio is yung etong 1.618. Ang golden ratio ng Fibonacci extension. Okay. So if you have any question, you can drop it in the comments. So, yep. So sa Fibonacci, paano ba mag-plot, no? Considering ito ang candle. Yan, ito ang line. So itong line na to, so paano ba natin ipa-plot yan? So from lower to upper. If you're looking for retracement. Okay, if you're looking for retracement. If you're looking for resistance, no, this one is you're looking for support. Some traders, they plot it pabaliktad, no, but this is the proper way. So para hindi kayo malito. So sa pagkuha naman ng resistance is ganito. So from up to down. So pag magba-bounce na yung stocks. Sino ba yung ating arrow? So ito, pag ganito na. And ito is pag ganito na. Okay? So ang una talagang support, no? Fibonacci support is the 382. You will observe that sa lahat ng mga stocks, no? If you backtest, no, 382 is the first strong support. No, aside from other support, no, that yung candle na made, no, during the trading. And of course, is the 618. And of course, syempre kung malakas siyang support, magiging malakas siyang resistance din. So sa pag-bounce naman, sa resistance, magiging first mo na resistance is yung 318. And then the 618, and then 786 and 886. So most of the traders don't use this 786 and 886. Napaka-importante nito. Kaunti lang ang makikita niyong gumagamit nito. They mostly use the 618. Okay, but in Harmonics, we will use it. Okay, so for any questions with the Fibonacci retracement, we give an example sa chart. Okay, example natin si PSEI na lang. So si PSEI, example natin to. Ito. So, paano ang pag-plot niyan? So, kukunin natin yung retracement. Okay. Ayan. So, yan ang retracement. Kapalan natin para... So, itong retracement niya. So, una, nag-bounce siya sa what? In between of 382 at saka 50%. And why do you think that 382 is this one is strong? Because it gives you a hammer. And hammer in a downtrend, hammer candlestick in a downtrend is a strong support, a strong reversal candle. And it matches na sakto pa siya sa 382 support. So malakas siya, no, for bounce or for reversal. Okay? So, that's for 382. And then let's see for pabounce pabalik sa resistance. So, you will plot here sa top, pababa. Okay. So, as you can see, 618 is our golden ratio na mataas din ang ito ang pinakamalakas na resistance actually or support, 618, the golden ratio. So, ito yon. So, is really na nauntog siya doon. Okay? So, if you know how to draw the Fibonacci, you will really understand yung harmonics. Kasi ito ay basic ng harmonics. Kailangan ng harmonics. Ang Fibonacci is because it's derived from sine wave, no? Okay? So, any questions so far? So good. So if you don't have any questions, I can put my slide in here.
Yan, harmonics na.
So walang question. I believe now most of you guys are okay na sa Fibonacci, no? Or may mga baguhan ba na viewers tayo dyan? So, seems wala. So, ang harmonics is intermediate, no? Maraming types, patterns ng harmonics. So, but I will be discussing four, no? A, B, C, D, and Alt A, B, C, D, bat pattern, and yeah, and bearish and bullish bat pattern. So I will be discussing these two, A, B, C, D, and the bat pattern. Okay? So wala talagang question. So yeah. So what is harmonic trading?
Yan, good evening daw, Ninong.
Oh, good evening, Sir Freddy.
Trader Freddy.
Good evening, sir.
Yan, starstruck sila sa'yo, Ninong.
Thank you. So sa mga kung meron ng may alam sa inyo dyan ng harmonics, it's good for you to refresh from other trader na who use different approach, maybe different approach ng harmonic trading. So yeah, harmonic trading, welcome sa harmonic patterns. So what is harmonic trading? It's basically harmonic trading is a technically based approach to define opportunities in the markets, employing the recognition of specific price structure which possess distinct and consecutive ratio alignments that quantify and validate the harmonic pattern. So these patterns calculate the Fibonacci aspects of price structure to identify the natural reactive reversal points in the financial markets. So, yung reversal points, yung kinukuha natin. So, it's basically is where you want to buy and basically is where you want to sell. Which is, yan ang kailangan natin. Di ba? So, yan ang pinakakailangan natin sa merkado. Kailan ba tayo kailangan bumili? Kailan ba tayo kailangan magbenta? Are a lot of, selling signals that you can combine to this trading patterns, like divergences, candlesticks, Western technicals, Japanese technicals, Baka gusto niyo bang marinig ang Pinoy technicals o WT technicals? Yeah, so yun. So pwede niyong i-infuse lahat ito dito, It make it more strong yung pattern. Fibonacci yan. So, Mancanor not gaano ka katagal gumagamit ng harmonics, Ninong? Yan ba ang primary weapon of choice? Yes, yes. This is my weapon of choice. I've been in the market around 6 years now. And I learned harmonics is 5 years na akong nagpa-practice nito, harmonics. Kaunti lang ang gumagamit nito, actually. Because most, sabi nila is complicated. Yeah, it is at first, but when you finally learn it, it's actually napaka-interesting niya, no? So, you can predict saan siya potential na babagsak. I say it potential kasi still potential kasi hindi pa nangyayari. No, so saan yung pinaka-potential top niya? Is still potential because hindi pa nangyayari. So, ipapakita natin yan mamaya. So, sa 3D, sa mga natin, examples. Yep. So, applying harmonics trading. So, the approach works on all time frames in all markets. So, if you are trading PSEI or PSE or another markets, gold, commodities, Bitcoin, someone uses it for Bitcoin, altcoins, no. Forex is really good. Masasabi ko na I think it's made for Forex kasi most of the patterns really nandoon eh. Then, malakas siya sa Forex. And then sa Nasdaq. So, you can use it sa mga indexes, no? You can use it. So, you can also use it for 15 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, and daily, weekly, monthly. But I suggest you guys that you use it for daily and weekly. If you are position trading, no, you can use it for weekly. If you are like Chupet or like in medium term, no, you can use it for daily. But if you are daily or intraday trading, you can use it for 15 minutes. No. Sometimes I use it 15 minutes, just make it fun. Kasi nandun yung galaw eh. Nandun yung excitement kasi magalaw yung market when it comes to 15 minutes. Yeah, kasi mas mababa yung time frame. So recognize the stages of the trading process are the same regardless of the time frame. Only last time to react intraday versus daily. Start with longer term situation to fully comprehend the dynamics of price action from a harmonic trading perspective. Review short-term examples to understand the limits of patterns, profit objective, and stop loss determination. Yep, may tatlo tayong steps para sa harmonic trading, no? So, yeah, trade identification. So, ano ba ang trade identification? So, sa trade identification, dito natin ina-identify kung bullish ba tayo or bearish. No? Trade executions. So, this is where we execute our so trade identification, ina-identify natin and nandito kasama ang planning. So, sa planning, nandyan kasama. So, sa executions, dito natin i-execute yung plan natin. Okay? So, sa trade management, ito yung minamanage na natin yung trade natin. Ibig sabihin, parang nakabili ka na. But, yung market is hindi umayon sa gusto mo, which is always does, no? So, that is where the trade management come. So, dyan tayo magmamanage. If yung market goes along with your, yung plan, trading plan, or then you're sitting pretty ka na lang and wait for your taking profits. Right? If you have questions, you can raise, you can ask, no, while I'm doing the presentation. So trade identification, regardless of what type of trading system employed in the financial markets. Its initial step is identifying potential opportunities. Yeah, which just includes your trading plan. Approximately 80% of all mistakes are eliminated through the proper identification of market signals. Yeah, traders trade executions after accurately identifying a potential trade opportunity. The actual execution must be determined. Several consideration must be assessed within a specific time period that is defined by the potential opportunity. The validity of pattern must be determined, and final action of executing of the trade are not be considered. Management, harmonic trading employs precise rules and guidelines. So may mga rules tayo o sa mga patterns kasi may mga certain levels tayong tinitignan. No, we have a lot of patterns, I believe more than 10, around 12, I think 12 patterns, no? But I will be discuss if I will discuss the 12 patterns, no? I think hanggang bukas tayo. So yeah, harmonic trading management rule 6 seek to reduce risk. So reduce risk, why? Like, kasi kung hindi umayon sa plano mo, so nandito yung cut loss, no? Nandito yung cut loss plan mo and the trail stop, no? Trail stop. So if you guys are aware for that, no, cut loss is yeah, yung negative ka, no. Trail stop is your cut gains. All right, harmonic trading management system relies on the same measurement principles as the identification rules do. So, of course, make it simple. Avoid analysis overkill. Only use what can be used. So make it simple. Okay? So, Sam, kasi marami pa silang nilalagay dyan na no, I use Ichimoku Cloud also, but I infuse it with harmonics for my potential. But it's not necessary though, but it's more stronger. But some are iba-ibang patterns eh. So like Bollinger Band, no? So napakadami. But make it simple. Support and resistance, candlesticks, divergence, one RSI or MACD, no, is good enough. So harmonic trading tools, analytical tools, no, yeah, we need Fibonacci harmonics ratios or harmonic ratios, price patterns, no, nandyan yung ascending, descending triangle flag or Darvas box or call it Western technicals, no. I think nabanggit yan ni WT, ni Winning Trades, yung kanina is yung descending triangle, no. So, and yung Darvas box, no, pinerform niya din, no, na pinerform niya yung Darvas box kanina, no. So, yeah, price bars, no, nandiyan ang price bars, nandiyan yung candlestick analysis, terminal bar, terminal price pattern. So, RSI gaming and divergences. So, I only use RSI, you know. Harmonic is really good in RSI. But some the owner developed his own tawag nito yung sa baba. So indicator which is harmonic strength index. So but in our market or in PSEI or Investagram, no, wala silang ganon. So we use RSI. So other considerations like volume and volatility. Yeah, volume number one, kailangan yan. So kailangan may tao yung ititrade ninyo. Kasi kung walang tao, walang bibili o walang magbebenta sa inyo. Alright. So, trading checklist. So, is there a pattern? So, what it is? Is there an AB equals CD? Where does the pattern complete? So, are there 3 or more numbers converging the PRZ or the potential reversal zone? What are they? Are there harmonic trading confirmation signals like price action in the PRZ, RSI, price BAM, or volume of validation of the pattern completion point? No? Nandiyan niya like divergence, like yung kanina, na sinabi natin dito, like yan, yung mga analytical tools. And at what point is the PRC no longer valid, or the stop loss, or cut loss, or the trail stop? How much must I risk? Am I willing to risk it? So, some kasi, no, about this risk trading, risk management, no? Kasi iba-iba yung tinuturo eh. No, maybe may mga narinig kayo na dapat ang trade ko is, risk management ko is always 1:4. Means 1:4 is I have 25% over 100%. No? So risk reward and ratio. So I have 4 rewards, I only have 1 risk. No? Some only use 1.5 and 2. No? So dito, mas ma-eliminate natin yung thing na yung mga ganon na 1:2, 1:4. But I prepare na use this checklist for your para ma-reduce yung risk natin. So, kaya ginagamit natin itong patterns para yung kada pasok natin is lesser yung risk. No? Okay, so far so good. Any questions? This introduction pa lang yun, guys, actually.
Warm up pa lang, warm up.
Warm up pa lang yun. Ang husay ng mong English ni nang may accent pa. Sana. Si Raulo. Thank you, Mang Kenor. Mang Kenor not. Thank you. Thank you.
Passer, IELTS passer yan eh. Siyempre.
Hindi. Ang tinake ko noon is PTE, no? So, computer-based, no? IELTS is masyadong mahirap yan para sa atin. So, yeah. Kung may questions kayo, no? Raise it. Hanggang the idea is hot. When the idea is hot is you have to act now. Okay, so first pattern, or the basic one, is the AB is equal CD pattern. So, from the word itself, no, meron dalawang point, no, point A and point B, na dapat ay magkaparehas siya o equal siya sa point C and point D. Alright? So, AB equals CD reciprocal ratios. No? Ito ay mga Fibonacci ratios. No? Reciprocal ratios of the C point retracements determines the BC projections in the potential reversal zone. So, ano ba yung potential reversal zone? So, nabanggit natin yan. Ito yung tawag nito. Ito yung potential na siyang bumaliko. No? Bumaliko. So, kunyari na-reach na natin yung top. No? Ito na yung potential. O na-reach na natin yung sabihin natin 382. And projection niya is 2.24, 2.68. No? So, na-reach niya na yan and then, yeah, potential na siyang mag-retrace dyan o mag-reverse. Okay? So, may mga respective ratios. But I will teach you the fastest one. Okay? For this pattern. So, say more. Okay, what do you mean by say more? Which part? Potential reversal zone. Okay, so I think I have to put so ganito yan. So potential reversal zone, no? Ito umakyat yung stocks, no? And then may mga signs na tayo dito sa taas. This is our potential reversal zone. It's just pinaganda lang yung pangalan. But there is a term para sa harmonics. No? Kasi ang ABCD kasi, no? Ito yung line mo. Babagsak, re-retrace siya. Dito dapat, itong line na to must be equal to this. Okay? Ayan ang ABC pattern. So, etong leg na to, point A, point B, C, and D. Dapat sila equal sila. Okay. Next. So, meron dalawang type. So, bullish AB equals CD pattern and bearish AB equals CD pattern. So, bullish muna. To equidistant price segment, aka the lightning bolt. So, minimum structural consideration for any setup. Yeah, it says minimum structural consideration for any setup. So, kapag titingin ka ng isang chart, ang una mong hahanapin is si ABCD. Kasi siya yung actually pinakamadali. Siya yung pinaka-base ng pattern. So, just ignore this kasi hindi ko siya itatackle. Okay. Exact pattern completion point must possess the BC ratio with the same proximity, which is yung pinakita ko. Ito. So, excellent continuation patterns within established trends, alternate or ABCD. This one I will not discuss. Okay. But yeah, I will not discuss. So, excellent continuation patterns within established trends. Okay. So, example. So, meron tayong point A. Ito si point B. So, pag sinabi mong bullish, ito yung pababa. Pag bearish naman, ito yung pataas. Okay? So, bullish, pababa yan siya. And, so, ganyan. And, yan. Okay? So, okay. So, point A and B must be equal to C and D. Okay? So, an example. So, si CLC previously. So, this one is equal to this one. Okay? So, bigyan natin ng PSEI chart. Let's look for CLC. Oops. Now it's C. Siya nga pala, si Chelsea Logistics Holding ay si C na ngayon. Previously, it was C. Way back 2018. Nasaan ba siya? So, sa first bandang September to October. So, ito yon.
Ito yung point. May tanong ako.
Yes.
Bakit po bullish yung pababa?
Oh, that's a good question. Kasi, bakit nga ba? Kasi nga, pakihirap sabihin eh. Ang hirap yung Tagalog.
Tagalogin mo na lang. Englishin mo na lang.
Ang pagkakaintindi ko, kasi para bullish, pag pababa kasi, inaantay mo yung retracement. Yung pataas. Bullish, bababa, tataas. So, inaantay mo yung support. Inaabangan mo tong
level.
Yung PRZ, potential reversal zone. How sa bearish naman is inaabangan mo yung potential reversal zone ng pababa. So, pero may mas deeper pa na doon. So, but anyway. So, ito yun, Ito yung leg, ng si A tsaka si B. Ito si A. Ito si B. Okay? So, ngayon, kung ipipibunasi natin yan, kukunin natin to from etong top niya, pa sa baba. So, inabot niya yung 618, si golden ratio, So, dapat, ang katumbas niyan is around 1618, Alright? So, okay. So, tingnan natin.
Shout out daw kay Madam Getty.
Hi, Madam Jetty Melendres, pa-shoutout naman kininong. Merry Christmas, Madam Jetty, and congratulations for your baby, So, yan. Ito yung niya, tawag nito, equivalent niya. So, si 1618. Bakit hindi siya umawat? Because there is a wick, no? There is a wick kasi sobra siya ng konti. But if you will choose yung only the body, it will, no? Okay. But anyway, say no more. I will teach you the fastest one. Since ang sabi niya is AB is equals to CD, so itong leg na to, no? Ito kasi yung BC, no? Yan. Ayan yung BC. BC. So itong leg na to is equal to CD, no? So i-copy nyo lang yan, no? Meron si Investogram, no? Na clone nyo lang yan na tas i-drag nyo lang pa ganyan. Then you got it. No? So this level is equal to this one. And it gives you that. No? So, paano mo natin masasabing that is the reversal zone na? I'll teach you one good candlestick pattern. This pattern, meron tayong tawag dyan. Ang kabaliktaran ng white, dark cloud. Ha?
Engulfing.
No, yung isa. Anong tawag doon? May tawag siya eh, kabaliktaran ng dark cloud. Dali. Bullish, tawag ito? Bullish yan eh. Bullish thing. Enlighten me if anyone knows, no? Please. I forgot na. So, itong pattern na to, no? Is strong. Bakit, no? Kasi, sakto siya sa ating ABCD.
Piercing ata.
Yeah, piercing pattern. Yes, correct. Piercing candle. Yes, thank you. So, this is a piercing candle pattern. So, bakit siya naging piercing, no? Yung huling candle na red, no? Yung huling candle na red, then sumunod na candle, nag-open siya sa baba nung closing niya. Then i-nears niya yung candle nito. So, I won't be discussing more malalim ng candlestick, but this is a reversal candle and a strong one. Okay? And a strong one. Ang dark cloud kasi is sa bearish yun sa taas yun. So, that's one indicator na, no? Yung price bar, yung candlesticks. So, next, I'll give you the RSI. Nasaan ba siya? Nasaan ba siya ngayon? Nasaan ba to siya? Nandito siya. So if I hope everyone knows how to read RSI, no? Medyo madali lang naman siya, no? Etong area na to, below 30, is a oversold region. Ibig sabihin, mura. Oversold. No? Puro benta. You can Google it for better meaning, no? But we're not discussing that. So on this area, 70 and above is overbought, means mahal. Mahal na. Okay? So this one, it gives you piercing pattern, piercing candle, and it gives you what? Oversold. It's attractive. So this one is a buy for me. Okay? So you will be asking where is the they call this, where is the entry point, no? I'll be entering dito sa candle na to. Dito sa green candle na to. Kasi strong candle na yan eh. And then where will be your cut loss? Of course, this area. Itong recent low. Itong tick na yan, that will be your cut loss. So this will be your cut loss. Beyond that will be your cut loss point. Okay. So far, so good. Questions? Hi, Sir Timeless Wisdom. Good evening and Merry Christmas. Yeah. Syntax Trader, Bullish Kicker. Yeah, Bullish Kicker is, pwede mo rin siyang tawagin, but it's more on Japanese. They are calling it the piercing. May kasabihan sila doon na tinutusok mo yung kandila kasi parang ganun. Questions? I want discussing the candlesticks, no? Kung ano tayo mapagbibigyan tayo ulit ni Don P, no? Ni Winning Trades na discuss ang candlesticks. Actually, candlesticks is really a price, actually very good, no? Napakalakas siya na system, no? Candlestick. If you guys heard about the Samurai Trader, yeah, Samurai Trader is only using candlesticks. If you guys know, is Steve Nielsen. Yeah, Steve Nielsen was the one.
Tama.
So,
si Thor, candle lang din si Thor.
Yes, marami. So, by candlestick, no, dyan pa lang malalaman mo na kung reversal na ba ang isang stocks or weak na ba ang isang stocks, no? So, yeah, no questions so far. So, ang ABCD kasi guys, no, is medyo marami pa siya, no? But I will be discussing the ano lang na tawag nito na simple lang. Kasi mas malilito kayo pag hindi. So, just clone this leg. Just clone this leg and then paste it to this C leg. Okay? This will be equal. Ito yung, no, ano lang ito, napakadaling pattern nito kaysa sa iba. Mas madali siyang basahin, actually. So, sa bearish naman, the same lang din. It depends in user, no? But for me kasi, no,
POD kasi, po ba entry? Ayun yung tanong ngayon. Sir Manny.
May question si Sir Manny Ibarra, no? If it's EOD ang entry ba or kasi depende kasi yan sa trader If ang trader o yung investor is hindi makamonitor, only pwede lang siya makasiyan around 12:45 o 3:15 para lang mag-EOD or tulad ko na hindi mo nakaka-monitor but from time to time, an hour, nakaka-check ako, no? So, I use it sa 15 minutes. Nag-entry ako palagi sa 15 minutes. I use entry in 15 minutes. Okay. And then, so, inside nung candle na yun, nandun na ako. In short. So, but if you are EOD trader, better check that candle stick pattern. No, that pattern should be strong so that para pagpasok mo is meron kang kasi yung candlestick na yon na tawag nito na close na, no, ma-identify mo na kung saan yung cut loss mo cut loss entry mo kasi look at this, wala tong low kasi wala pa to no, ito pa lang. So, ayan pa lang yon. So, just imagine this, no, wala pa itong nasa box. So, ito pa lang, no? Ito pa lang yung nakikita nyo. So, kung EOD trader ka, the next day, no, is, yeah, tawag dito, sa EOD ka, ang entry mo is, pag nakita mo na tong pattern na to ng candlesticks, Maraming bullish reversal na pattern, like nandyan si bullish Harmony, nandyan si bullish engulfing, nandyan si Doji, no? Strong Doji, Dragonfly, no? Si Hammer, nandyan, no? So, all of them, no? You can actually Google it, no? Pero, I will not be discussing here. So, my question saan po ang selling area ng ABCD pattern? Si Alamat. Yeah, okay. So, because ang selling natin, kasi di ba, sinabi ko na nakuha na natin itong pattern, no? Nakuha na natin itong below, no? Nakuha na natin itong huli sa PRZ. Pasok na tayo, example. So, Fibonacci mo ulit yan. No? Fibonacci mo ulit. So, from the last leg sa leg A, point A, papunta doon sa point B. No? Papunta doon sa point B, use your Fibonacci retracement o chart, no? Kunin mo yung 382, 618, 50%, 786 and 886. So these ratios, no? Of course, na mention natin kanina, no, sa bago tayo mag-start ng harmonics. Ang unang natin, resistance sa Fibonacci is 382. No? This one is strong resistance siya actually kung magaling bounce. Yung pababa. Galing bounce, yeah, yung pababa, no? Yeah, nabigyan ko kayo ng magandang tip from that. Kasi it always does. No? Pag galing baba ang strong stocks, your number one strong resistance, actually strong resistance is 382. No? And it will make it more strong if and only if this long week. No? Bakit? Ano ba yung long week na yan? So okay, give it. So itong kasing pattern, rejection kasi yan eh. Itong week na to, rejection yan. And it's long. No? It's long. So ang market ay masyadong excited. No? And nung na-hit na niya yung 50% o 382, nandun naman yung fear. Which is, actually, yung mga bounce trader is nagbebenta doon. No? Okay? So far, so good. Questions? I hope na kuha ko yung nung question mo, Mr. Manny Ibarra. No? So it only depends on the trader, but
yeah.
I prepare always in the intraday. I use it 15 minutes.
If nakuha nyo guys, comment lang po kayo kahit thumbs up para maano.
Kasi 15 minutes
tayo.
Will derive your, napakaganda ng 15 minutes if you use it. Some also use it for 1 hour. But I have strategy kasi sa 15 minutes and I'm comfortable with it. No? Kasi 1 hour, masyadong mabagal sa akin yun para sa, but 15 minutes for me. And if you are busy sa work, no, like, yeah, EOD is better. And less stress din, no? Less stress din. Kasi alam mo na yung kinalabasan ng candle na yun. Okay? And makakapag-decide ka na execution. Questions? So, kanina pala, no, sinabi natin yung tatlong, balikan lang natin yung tatlong steps natin. So, steps natin kay Harmonics, yung sinasabi na trade identification. No? So, wala pa to guys, no? Yeah, pwede ang weekly. Questions from Syntax Trader. Delay yata. Delay yung, sa screen.
Delay,
no?
Delay.
So, sige, pag nag-pop up, continue ko na lang. Balikan kita sa Syntax Trader, no? So,
Ayan na po.
Itong box na to, assuming
Yeah.
assuming na itong box na to is wala pa. Ito pa lang nakikita nyo. Siyempre nakakatakot siya, no? Actually. Nakakatakot siya. Kasi walang low eh, walang tawag nito, walang support. Saan ka makahanap ng support niyan is sabi nga nila ang C is bottomless. No? You can dive all you want. No? So kaya ang pag bear ang market o bearish ang market is really hard to bottom fish. No? But in both actually harmonics is really good for bottom fishing. I can tell you that. You can earn for the bounce 10 to 15% for 1 to 2 days bounce. Sometimes 20% if a big run. If yung stocks is high volatility. So, assuming, no? So, identify natin yung chart. So, ano ba siya? Nasaan ba siya ngayon? No? Nasa bearish siya, no? So, ang kinahanap natin is yung bullish pattern. Kasi kailangan natin eh. No? So, kailangan natin yon, no? So, here we go. So, titingnan natin yung tinuro ko sa inyo. So, magpaplano tayo. So, kinuha na natin to. So, clone natin yan. And then, so, nakita natin na sakto na siya sa AB equals CD pattern. Bullish AB equals CD pattern. Sakto na siya. So, we only need what? Another kick, no? So, nakita natin na oversold na siya. That's another points. No? Kasi you have, let's say, parang, 2/3 actually. For me, it's 2/3 na. And then, sinamahan pa ng EOD candle, which is si piercing pattern. That's 3/3. No? That's 3/3. You already identified your your cut loss point. Okay? You already identified your cut loss point. Kasi yan yung magiging cut loss point mo. Yung recent low na yan. Okay? Yung recent low na yan. And then, now, nakuha na natin, no? Yung planning natin. So, sabi natin, ganito yung nangyari. Ganito yung nangyari. As planned. Good. Bullish candlestick. EOD ako. EOD. Saan ang cut loss ko? Siyempre sa planning, meron ka ng cut loss. So, ang cut loss mo will be the low of that candle. By the way, guys, I'm a weak guy, ha? Weak, I mean, the midsa ako. Hindi ako body to body, no? Sa midsa ako palagi, no? I mean, kasi some of the traders, they use body to body candles, no? I use candle wick. Kasi why I use that is kasama yan sa price action. Meron trade doon. May value doon. So, who knows? So, doon ang magiging cut loss level below that point. So, saan ang magiging TP level natin? No? So, ang magiging TP level natin, of course, yung kaninang sinabi natin. Yung Fibonacci retracement. So these levels can be your support at can be your resistances. So yun ang magiging target target price nyo. Okay, I will throw one more, no? I will throw one more magandang since nandiyan na rin naman siya. So ang stocks pag bumagsak, no? Bearish na stocks, no? At nag-bounce. Now, I've told you before, 382 is the strongest one. You can throw half there and run the other half. Bakit? Yeah, sabi ko nga, is strongest one. Nandun yung bounce trader na nagtatapon. Okay, kasi yun ang una nilang resistance. And it's not only that, and at this point, it's also a resistance ng previous candle, which is this one. So, and the next day, use trail stops. Trail stop. Ano bang trail stops? Itong trail stop, no? May mga iba-iba kasi na sineset. But for me is my low, the previous candle, previous support, yung trail stop ko. But for this case, no? For this case, ang trail stop ko is yung last close ng candle. Previous candle. Yan yung trail stop ko. Kasi it's easy to go in, guys. You can easily buy back. But I tell you, it's really hard to sell if you put your emotion first or your fear first. So that's why that's why technicals is there. No. So another, if galing sa bounce, no, it will retest that area. What do you mean by that area? It will retest the support. Why they will retest the support? Kasi itong support na to, itetest niya kung strong ba ito. If it is strong, magbabounce ako doon. No? And it will create an divergence. A strong divergence. And that one is another topic. If any of you guys know about the bullish divergence, I think may nagturo na ba sa inyo turo na ba dito sa reading trades about divergences?
Wala pa.
Wala pa. Okay, so I think sa YouTube meron 'yon, no? So you can go and browse it there. So this trading divergences is really powerful one. Okay? So you can
Tama.
So from that point, no, guhitan natin yung sinasabi nating divergence. This one and this one. Double bottom and the RSI is pataas. Okay? RSI is pataas. Okay? So, yan yung tinro ko pa na isa. So, that's it. Any question? So, ano po ba ang complete measurement ng Fibo? Hindi ba kasali ang 23.6? I don't use 23.6. It's a shallow retracement, sir. But some they use it, but for me, no, Mr. Sian Soleta, I will not advise you to use it because it's a shallow retracement, and it will give you, it will only, it will ka lang doon, mawiwipso ka or ma-shake kung tawagin. So, may tanong si Sir Syntax, no? Weekly po ba ang gamit ko? Pwede po kayo? Yes, it's really pwede, no? You can any time frame ka, as kanina nga, no, sabi ko dun sa unang presentation natin, sa unang slides is, lahat ay any time frame ay pwede. So, kaTrader, blah, blah, blah. Long time no see, sir. Oh, yeah. I still remember you, sir. Kamusta, sir? Yeah, siya pala yung isa sa ko noon time, kasama sa competition, no, sa isang group. Yep. Merry Christmas, sir. So, I hope naiintindihan natin yung bullish ABCD pattern, and I hope nasagot complete measurement kasi yung tanong mo, no. Kasi isip dito, no, kasi tingnan mo yung retracement ko is walang another projection kasi it's not really it's a shallow retracement. So it's not that important level ng Fibonacci retracement, Fibonacci points. So I hope nasagot ko siya, sir. Sir Sian. So questions so far, no more. Okay, let's proceed. So sa bearish ABC equals AB equals CD pattern is kabaliktaran lang nun. No? Ito yung paborito natin. No? Ito ang pinaka-common sa lahat. No? Especially PSEI. No? You will see this a lot. You will see this a lot. No? So, bearish ABCD. Kabaliktaran lang nun. Tulad ng sabi ko. Saan na yung mouse ko? Okay. So, AB, point A, point B is, and then point C and point D is equal. So, just clone this or use the projection kanina. This one. Okay. So, okay. So, pakita natin yan. Pakita natin. Ang bullish ABCD. So, ito yon. Umakyat si stocks. Sabihin natin yan from si C na. Si C. Assuming pa lang to. So, ito na si point A. Sabi ko sa'yo, matagal to. 9:30 na. Tagal to. I think I discussed this to my students previously. You know, guys, I discussed 2 days, 9 to 6. Separate pa yung, no. It's for 4 weeks, no? For 4 weekdays, 4 weekends. No? So, ito na yung CD. Ito na yung unang leg, pinakita niya nila. No? So, titingnan natin yung retracement. So, gaya nga nasabi ko, yung unang mong support is si 382. No? Ano ba ang equivalent ni 382? So, dito yung magiging BC mo. Ano ba ang equivalent ni 382? So, ang equivalent niya based dun sa ano natin is yan. Yeah, 2.24 and 2.61. 618. So, I don't have it. If you guys don't know how to use this, yeah, you can just take it and then ano yun, kanina 2.24, and 2.618. So, kunin natin yung 2.618. Ito yun, 2.618. Copy natin to, and then, yeah. So, ito na yun. So, ito yung katumbas ng 382. Okay? So, or the other path or other method is clone mo lang yung A, B leg and then drag it to other side. Okay, my question, recommended po bang tranche buying for this? Yes, it is. So, ang tranche buying ko kasi palagi, no, is if you have big account, no, big fund, no, I always suggest is buy in 3 tranches, no. My first base is always 30% or 40%. Depends how my doon checklist ko na pinakita ko sa inyo kanina, it depends doon. Kung na-satisfy yung 3/3 na o na-satisfy lahat ng checklist ko is I'll put weight on that 50%. And then along the way we'll put another 25 and the breakout will be 25%. And the selling okay, this is the buying tranches. So ganun lang. Okay? So far, so good. Bullish ABCD. Ganun din naman sa isa. Okay? So kung ang stock mo is bumagsak hanggang 618, no? Ang katumbas niyan sa extension, Fibonacci extension is yung 1.618. No? It is, pwede. Yan. So, this one is equal. Ganun lang. So, mas madali yung method na i-clone mo na lang, no? Actually, mas madali yon. But, if you prepare old methods, no, use proper method, use the Fibonacci retracement. So far, so good. Questions?
Pa-flat daw sa dito, Ninong.
Oh,
Kung pasok dito sa ano,
dito
ABCD.
is special case, no, guys. Why? Because you see the chart, no? Meron kaming tinatawag sa what we call this sa harmonics, no, yung super, it's not super, but yung special case. And then this special case is napakataas nung, lalo na kapag lagpasan niya na yung ABCD, no? Napakataas ng projection. It happens to ATN. Yeah, it happens to this guy. What's this? Dito. Okay. Let's plot this dito. I think I don't see dito. Okay. So si dito, ito. So check natin kung katumbas at so nag-retrace siya sa 382, no? So 382, check natin yung katumbas niya. Should be 2.618. Oh, which is, it is, no? Ito yung una. So this one, no? So 2.618. Right? So bakit masasabi ko na this is the potential reversal zone? No. Bakit? This one. Tanggalin mo to. Assuming that this box is assuming it's not tawag nito, it's not existed pa. It's not existed. So they only give you this candle, the red candle. I think so, and it gives you this ABCD pattern, no, completion. No. So reversal candle sa akin to. Okay. Why is it reversal candle? It make it strong because it's in the resistance. And yeah, the candle itself, no? We call it the hangman, the hammer on top. No? Na nasa taas na na martilyo, no? Kapag nasa taas yung martilyo, tinatawag natin si hanging man. Kapag nasa baba yung martilyo, we call it the bullish hammer. Pag nasa taas is the hanging man, is bearish candle. Okay? But we need we need confirmation. No? So the next day, 2 days, it gives you another one. And rejection. That's strong already. That is strong. So from that point to this point, that's 17%, no? Kung galing ka doon sa taas, 17%. Siyempre, 17% is really napakataas na nun. Masishake ka nun if you have 1 million pesos na account and you all in kay dito during that time, assuming na hindi pa wala pa yon, no? Hindi pa napinta yung nasa kanang bahagi ng chart natin, no? Masishake ka. You have 170,000 pesos na loss, paper loss, no? So, yeah, if you have proper entry and then
Dapat huwag kang bumili dyan. Tama ba?
true. You don't have to, this one is a selling area. You don't have to buy in here. No?
Yung
Resist.
yung next run niya, Ninong, yung 250 to 8 na considered ba yan AB?
Itong 250
To 8.
to 8. No. This one is yung tinatawag natin special case.
Hindi yan. Sa next. Yung 8, mula 8 ka. 8 to 250.
Ito.
Hindi, yung dito pa. Hindi pa tapos yung pattern. Kung considered ba yan. Ang A mo is, ano ba to?
Dito ba?
250.
Dito ba sa? From
Ang B mo, ang A mo 250. Yan. 250 yung A, tapos B mo is 8.
B ko is 8. Oh, okay. Ito.
Yan.
Yes. It can be considered one leg. True. Guys, you can tawag nito, pwede kayo saan kumuha, no? Kasi depende kasi yan sa ano nyo, no? Ano bang klaseng trader kayo? Are you a long-term or position trader or intermediate or chupet? No? You can still play for those, no? Pwede mong gamitin tong isang leg na to, sir. From this to this, no? And then, i-copy mo lang yan into this one, which is 11. But we will do the proper way since this one is, go here. Okay, so Fibonacci yan, and almost bounce sa 3618. And it gives you a hammer, no? On a definition of a hammer is 2 times yung wick niya is 2 beses ang haba dun sa body niya. Okay, that's a hammer. And a hammer is on a down o yung pababa na ano. And this one is a good candle. Why? Because it touches the support, no? Touches the support. Okay, make it strong. Okay, so ang kabaliktaran niya is this one. 1618. Itong area na to. Right? So, if you use this leg, high chance or still potential, we call it potential reversal zone, is, yeah, okay to. Actually, dito is strong one. Makikita mo, strong. Bakit? Kasi, makikita mo yung chart and yung indicator mo, no, is strong. So, yeah. Sandali. So far, so good. So, dyan natin pinaplot. Still a potential, guys, I'm not saying na yan yung ito yung last din dito. I'm not saying. So, kasi maraming, ang special case kasi ng tawag nito, ng ABCD is may tinatawag tayong pi. Put natin yung pi. Ano ba ang pi, guys? Di ba yung pi is yung sa math. So, yeah, of course. So, ang pi is 3.14. So, where it rejected. Di ba? It rejects sa 3.14. That is a special case ng ABCD. So, ginagamit natin siya saan? Sa tulad nitong stocks. Tulad ni ATN na stocks. O tulad pa ng ibang stocks. So, ginagamit natin siya most sa mga yung high volatile na stocks. No? Tulad nito, like may mga good news o na pinupush ng mga, ano, alam mo yun, ng mga hockey. So, yan yung mga special case, no? But it won't be, kasi meron tong mga rules, si 3.14. So, won't be discussing that kasi 10 o'clock na. Anyway, may si Sir Canornot, no? Ako, emotional trader. Paano ko ba yun? Pag emotional, no, kailangan natin kailangan natin, alam mo yun, kasi I know it's hard-earned money, no, but sabi nga nila is stock market is a legal na pasugalan, no, is a legal casino, no. Ilagay mo lang dito yung kaya mong mawala sa'yo. Like if you kaya mong mawala sa'yo is 1 million, then 1 million. If you kaya mong mawala sa'yo is 10,000, then 10,000, invest 10,000. No? Of course, itong pag sa casino, no, or sugal, marireduce natin yung risk by studying these technicals or fundamentals, no? So, nare-reduce natin yan. So, kung emotional trader ka, so I think, you know this, kung meron ka ng sariling sistema, no, yung pagiging emotional trading mo o trader mo is mababawasan yan. Kasi alam mo na eh. Alam mo yung, alam mo na, but may alam ka na ano yung potential na mangyayari. Yung, alam mo na yung next, no? So, and how will you react on that after? So far, so good. Actually, may mga set ako na examples sa the last. I think, sa example na lang muna tayo bago tayo pumunta sa bat pattern, no? Kasi kukulangin talaga tayo. Abutin tayo ng alauna dito, actually. So, pasadaan ko muna na example tong dalawa pang example si ABCD. Nag-prepare kasi ako ng example, no? Yep. So, unahin muna natin si bearish ABCD, no? Sabi niya si PSEI. Si PSEI. Actually, kung i-ano nyo, si PSEI is ano ito? Always, no? Always ginagawa niya to. Always ginagawa niya to. Always siyang ginagawa to. Always siyang ginagawa ang tawag nito, always siyang ginagawa ang ABCD. Seldom siya sa ibang pattern, no? ABCD lang siya. Is that ABCD lang siya, but seldom lang siya sa ibang pattern. But most of the time, si PSEI is AB is equal CD. If you know, napo-forecast mo na, no? Na tawag nito, yung ABCD, PSEI, ABCD, no? Uy, high chance na ito yung reversal zone ni PSEI. And index is index. So, index, susunudan yan eh. Di ba? Kasi market sentiment. Market is always a sentiment based on your greed and fears. So, yeah, PSEI is our number one example. So, ipa-plot natin yung huli, yung muling ng week, and papunta doon. And it touches the 382. So, ang 382 is 286, right? O 224. Oh, yeah, 224 to 286. Yeah. Yeah. Right? So, it does. It's here na. And if you saw like, meron kayong nakitang ganito, no, maliliit na pattern, isang malaking candle, tas maliliit na kandila na green o red, na, and you are in the resistance, no, expect it will retrace, no, and meron pa tayong runaway gap dito. This is a runaway gap. I'll throw another one. So, runaway gap can be a support and resistance. So far, so good. Questions so far? We got ABCD na ano, no? Ano ito? Pattern.
Yan, pa-thumbs up naman. Pag clear sa inyo.
So, syntax trader, ninang paano po pag palagi nananalo, di pa sugal yan? Well, kasi pag sinabi mo kasing sugal, guys, is still has a percentage, no, to lose. Market is like, hindi ka pwedeng hindi matalo. I mean, ano ka ba? Sabi nga ni tawag nito ni yung sa Wolf of Wall Street, no, judge me by the winners that I have, no? Syempre, but not the loser. But see, if you lose, no, wala kang matututunan. But if you win and then you learn something, it's good. But paano pag natatalo ka, like palagi kang nananalo, yung emotional mo din, natalo ka, emotional mo is, oh shit, parang, domino effect. It might affect your trading it happens to me previously, no, nung nakaraan pa na trade, no. It was Superman syndrome, no, nung time na yon. Sabi ko, ang galing ko kasi palagi akong panalo. Nakakasell ako, no, and then one time na yung forecast ko, it's not forecast but yung plan ko hindi na ayon sa gusto ko. I lost, no. Nag-cut loss ako doon, and then the next trade ko is domino effect na. It's all loss. So, yun. It's not good if you always win, no. So far so good. Any more questions? Please question about dun sa topic na ABC. So how about the bullish ABCD? Actually, a lot also. Like ito. Bullish ABCD. Let's see this one. You can time the market. Actually, you can time because you know where is the potential reversal zone. No? Itong ano na to, yan, leg net, 50%. Ano ba ang katumbas ng 50%? Is 200. So check natin. Saan ba ang 200? Oh, it's somewhere here. I don't have the 200. Let's put 200. Somewhere. See, so this area, no, will be your your potential reversal zone. Guys, not always na sakto. Kaya is a market meron yung sentiment na excite, na natatakot yung mga traders, no. So nandyan yan. So hindi palagi sakto yan. Okay? So you have to adapt. Nandyan yung trade management. You have to adapt kung anong bibigay sa'yo ni market. So you have to adapt. So adapt mo yung kung paano ka mag-change ng plano mo, no? Okay? So yeah, it does. ABCD. Naguluhan ba kayo kasi ang daming Fibonacci, dahil 2 Fibonacci dyan. So remove natin yan. Copy. Ito is the same. Equal. Okay. So you have to adapt, guys. So far, so good. Actually, yung next natin is medyo complicated. But if you are still up, 10 p.m. na. Okay pa ba kayo dyan?
O next time na lang.
Kayo okay pa ba kayo? I can more example ng ABCD and patterns, no. So may question si Syntax Trader. So sabi niya so iba pala ang PIB ng Harmonics, di pala siya equivalent sa default values. What do you mean by the equivalence? Gaya nga nasabi ko, no, na you have to adapt, no. Kaya nga nandun yung pangatlo natin is nandun yung pangatlo natin na trade management. So you have to adapt. So, and of course, this one is also a support. So why not buy in support? It makes you strong. That's a triple bottom, you know. Triple bottom. Right? So I think we should next na other na example. Kasi kung i-push nyo, hindi nyo ma-absorb yung actually the most important pattern is ABCD. Yung iba kasing pattern pababa, no, is seldom nyo lang siya makikita. No, seldom nyo lang siya makikita sa merkado. ABCD is the always one. And yeah, nickel. So, ito na yung sinasabi ni Sir, no, na Sir, tawag nito, Sir Syntax, yeah, Syntax Trader, no, kung you're using weekly, no, pwede. So, pwede yan. So, pwede. So, let's try. So, this is a bullish ABCD. This one. Hindi rin siya umabot. So, we can't use this. No? We can't use this. So, hanap tayo. So, madali lang siya maghanap actually, no? How about this? Itong area na to. Madali lang siya maghanap. So, it touches the 618. No, so, ang equivalent niya is 1618. Right? So, tanggalin ko muna to. I-draw muna natin yung ABCD. AB na point. A. And then, nakiyan natin. Fold natin yan. And then, ito yung B natin. So, ito yung C natin. Kasi nag-retrace na siya pataas eh. So, C. So, nakuha na natin yung C, no? Kukunin na natin yung D. Balikan natin yung MBT. So, ito na yung C, no? Nakuha na natin yung C. So, kukunin na natin yung D point, no? So, from BC projection, ito yung sinasabi niya BC na leg. Okay? From here, pivo ka dito to the top. Ano ba ang sabi niya doon sa projection ng 618? Yung Fibonacci extension niya na projection is 1.618. Okay, which is correct. We got it. So, na-time natin. No, this one. And, yeah. So, this is the projection. Okay? So, this is ABCD. Wait. Bullish ABCD. This one is really helpful, no? When you're timing the market. Especially if the market is not so good. Bear. During the time, no, it was bearish, no. I can live with the bearish, no. Kaya akong mabuhay sa bear market. Not only in bull, but in bear. Anyway, so you can also use in weekly, but weekly is a long term. It's long term, it's long time frame. So it can only took you a year or almost a year. Okay? So, balikan natin yung MBT. May tanong si Sir Siano, sabi niya, nalilito po ako paano sinukat ulit ng MBT sa Pivo. Okay. So, kasi, this one, hindi mo na pwedeng sabihin ABCD yan kasi wala ka nang makitang apat na leg dyan eh. Kasi ang ABCD, apat na leg. No, apat na points. Apat na points, A, B, C, D. So you have to see 3 legs. No, 1, isang pababa, isang pataas, at isang pababa ulit. Ganyan. So kailangan mo makita yung ganyang structure. So may nakita tayo, which is nandito. Ito. So, na-identify na natin yung AB. So, let's just put it. A. Okay? So, si B, lumabas na. Ngayon, hanapin natin si C. Si C, lumabas na rin kasi nag-stop siya doon sa 50%. No? So, ano ba ang equivalent ng 50%? 200. no, equivalent, no, ito. 2.0. Okay? So, drawing natin to. Okay. Kunin natin si ngayon, we are looking for D. So, this one, and from this point sa lower ng B, sa B, and then doon papunta sa C. Okay. And sa C. So, ang katumbas ng C is 200. But this guy, hindi siya sa 200, but 1909. No? Almost 200 na. Almost 200. But tulad nga ng sabi ko, no? Si market kasi medyo excited, no? And kasi kailangan mo rin mag-adapt dito kasi ito ay support. Support 'yan. Yung area na 'yan, support 'yan. Okay? So kailangan mong i-manage, no? Kaya nga nandoon yung pangatlo is trade management. So kailangan mong magbago or mag-adapt kung anong bibigay sa'yo ng market. Okay? So bakit sinabi kong this one is a good trade? And bakit kailangan mong pumasok dyan? So let's get another indicators. So nakuha na natin yung ano no, yung ABCD. Meron na. So ito yung chance niya, no. Ito. Tulad 'di ba kanina sabi ko no, pag pababa to oversold, no. Oversold siya. Na-touch niya na 'yon, oversold. So ito na 'yon. So na-touch niya, nag-bounce, no? Potential niyang balikan 'yan to create bullish divergence, which is it does, no? Ginawa niya 'to. So na-create siya ng bullish divergence. So it gives you what? Gives you good time 3/3 kasi there's a good hammer there. I mean, good candlestick there. Kung titingnan nyo. This is a good doji. No? Yeah. May confirmation. May doji dito. I'll throw you another one. Doji, no? Doji in a downtrend is a very good support. Candlestick trading. Doji sa downtrend is a good support. Doji in an uptrend, nasa baba na doji, no, is a good support. Doji na nasa uptrend o nasa taas, this is a strong resistance. Lalo na make it strong, it really touch the other side, the left side, no, it touches the another resistance or the resistance level, and it goes to the doji. You can backtest that, guys. But I assure you, it's that the point. I use it every time. I saw a doji. You cross. You get for a cross, not the you perpendicular na doji. There's not a gravestone. No. In a downtrend, gravestone it's not that good, but still a downtrend, but still need confirmation. But for me, doji in a downtrend and gives you and a support, it gives you a strong confirmation. Okay. So you have 3/3 here. Why not put 50% or increase it let's say, put here 500%, 500K. And also it's MBT. Why not? Why not, right? It's an MBT. Let's say, wow. MBT, if you got it, the bottom fishing, you got 50%, 60%, 50% up. Your 500 what you call this? Okay, turo ko sa inyo yung trenching na sinasabi kanina. So 50% in here, entry. And kasi yung mga yan, di ba? May makikita kayo mga small resistance dyan. Pag may nakita kong ganito, let's see ito, support, nag-support na siya. I will throw 25% there. And then another 25%. for breakout. That's all. 50% here, 25. Kasi hindi ka pwedeng baliktad, no? Sa breakout is 50%, but it depends on you, no? May mga breakout trader na gano'n ang ginagawa, mas mataas yung ano nila, yung percentage nila sa breakout. So may tanong si Sir KK, no? For C point, in case nag-fail or na-break ang 382, ano ang next common fee most likely na next? 50%. Yung mga common na Fibonacci level, I think you are aware of that, no? So ito siya, no? 0, 382, 5, 618, 786, and 886. Actually, nandito pala. Ito pala siya. Neglect the 707. Neglect the 707. I don't use that. It's not that. This one is always 618, 786. So 618 and then 786 and 886. I know that hanggang some of the traders until 786 lang sila, but the most strong one is the 886. Yeah, so far so good. So far okay na ba kayo, Sir Sian Silveta? Nasagot ko ba yung tanong nyo kay MBT? When you guys saw a strong support and it touches us almost there, you have to adapt. You have to change your plan. You manage your plan. No? You have to manage your plan and adapt the market. Kung ano ibibigay sa yung market, you have to adapt. So far so good. So ang bibigay sa na C point C, let's say 50%, it gives you 200, no? Sa BC projection. If 618, then the golden ratio ng Fibonacci extension is 161.8. And if 786 and then 1.27 and 886 is 1.13. Okay? Okay, let's throw one more up for bullish ABCD KPTI. You can practice it, guys. You know, it's pretty easy. Yeah. Oh, so dito may nakita na kayo. May leg na dito. Dito pa lang, oh. Kita nyo na, oh. Di ba? You can measure. Pwede nyo na siyang i-measure. No? Using Fibonacci retracement. Di ba? So, pwede nyo na siyang measure. Okay? So, iiwan ko na sa inyo yan as your assignment. So, you can practice. Practice nyo yan. So, sasabihin mo, sa kaya nahanap ninyo yung ABCD dito? And ano kaya naging trigger niya? Bakit siya bumili? Or ano kaya magiging trigger? Bakit bibili siya? Yeah.
Ayun. Pag-practicean nyo na, guys.
So,
kaTrader.
So, sa bear ABCD naman, let's check this guy. Let's see. Meron dito, see. But, tingnan natin kung sa pool ba siya. Ito na yung AB natin. Kasi most ngayon ang mga stocks is nasa taas. So, ang kukunin nyo na yung retracement pababa, yung bullish ABCD. Okay? So, kuha na natin yung A. Kuha na natin yung B. And, yep. Kunin natin yung C. Ito na, nakita na natin. Assuming, wait. This one. Assuming na, tawag nito, na wala pa tong area na to. Wala pa yung area na yun. Uy, meron na. may C na ako, may na-identify ko na yung C point. So I need to get the D point. No? Just copy this one or use the traditional method and go it here. Isn't it amazing? Na-predict mo na yung market. Nakita mo na yung market top na potential reversal zone. Mas may edge ka sa ibang trader. It's just that kailangan mo ng confirmation ng trigger. Kasi may mga patterns na incomplete. No? Because it's a market. No? Kailangan mo mag-adapt. It's not always that it goes on your way. So you have to adapt sa kung ano ibibigay sa iyo ni market. So far, so good. Just ABCD. Complete natin. Okay. Or you can use this one. Saan ba siya nag-fall ang C natin? Nag-fall si C natin is 786. Yes. Ayun ang gamit natin. Sa CD na leg is Fibonacci extension. Right? Is Fibonacci extension. So, 786, katumbas niya is 1.27. So, from BC, ito yung plot mo, from B to C. 1.27. Yeah. Is here. So, just like always says, medyo sablay ito siya ng hindi siya sakto, no? Kasi meron siyang sobra. So kaya mag-a-adjust ka. Okay? So far, so good. Pwede po ba gamitin ng Fibonacci extension sa CD? Yeah, we are using the CD Fibonacci to identify the D point. To identify the D point, you have to get the katumbas nung C mo, no, which is yung, in this case is 786, kailangan is 1.27. So, or the other way around, 50, or katumbas niya is 200, or 618, katumbas niya is 1.618. Yeah. Sure, Buddha trader.
Buddha trader, juicy ang topic.
Thank you, sir.
Shout out, Buddha. Baka naman.
Maraming salamat, sir. Winner na winner. Yeah, pamaskong handog ng Santa Claus. Mukhang Santa Claus. Katawang Santa Claus.
Pamaskong handog ni Ninong.
Actually, guys, a lot of harmonic patterns. Masasawa kayo, but they say that mahirap is only a pattern. Is kailangan nyo ng kailangan nyo ng execution, kailangan nyo nito, no? Kailangan nyo ng execution para kasi it's always on your execution. Meron kang plan pero wala kang execution, and then wala na yung number 2 mo, step 2 mo. Kung wala kang step 2, wala kang step 3, right? Kung may step 2 ka, then meron kang trading management, which is step 3. So far, so good. Yeah. ABC, Harmonic is really napaka-ano ng ito. Napaka-haba ng discussion. May tanong si Sir kaTrader, blah, blah, blah. Once complete na yung ABCD pattern nyo, saan na yung next AB swing? For second ABCD pattern, automatic ba na first ABCD pattern will be a second? Okay, so, yung example nito, no? Okay, example nito. Because we are, example nitong CD natin, no? Ito yung CD. Tanggalin ko lang yung So, na-identify na natin, okay. Na-identify na natin yung ABCD. Nakuha na natin yung points. This one. No? Nakuha na natin. Remove natin to para mas okay. So, identify na natin. So, N na yung ABCD. So, ngayon, ang magiging leg mo na, ang mangyayari niyan, ito na yung magiging A. Ito na yung magiging B mo. Okay. Ngayon, dyan na yung magiging flat mo ng Fibo. From to that. So, that's why, Seb, nag-retrace siya. Kanina, it touches the 382 Fibonacci, 382 support, and also merong support siya din doon, which is a good buy. Yan. So, why not? No? So, at this point, meron ka nang identify mo na yung may potential ka na C. Why I say potential? No? Kasi it's only one candle. It can give you, I mean, it can whipsaw you, no? Pwede kang i-whipsaw nito na pabagsak, bumagsak, magtuloy siyang pabagsak. So that's why you have to adapt with the market. So it happens, kung it happened like katulad noon, no? So you have to adapt. You have to set your cut loss always. Okay? So kitang-kita mong cut loss dito, you have support here. But it's not that strong. No? Kasi kaunti lang yan. But it make it strong kasi merong Fibonacci retracement 382 dyan. You have to adapt. Okay, and yep. So far, anything else? I hope na nakuha ko yung, we can't plot this one as C, no? Wala pa. We wait for another
Wala pang confirmation candle.
confirmation. Though I can say that this one is a piercing candle, though. But it's not that, hindi siya kasi half eh. Hindi siya half. Kasi ang piercing candle must be half. Half ng candle mo na kabila, na previous candle. Kailangan half siya bago mo siya makuha na piercing candle. Kaya nga sinasabi nila hotdog. So far, so good. I hope na kukuha nyo kasi yung Harmonics medyo advanced siya eh. But it will give you edge if you will learn us. Konti lang kami, no? If matututo kayo, din nadami na tayo. So marami na tayong bibili sa mga points natin. I mean, PRZ zone natin. Marami na tayong magbebenta sa PRZ natin. No? Paunahan, something ganun. Yeah.
Buhusan.
Di ba? Marami kasi ang Harmonics kasi pwede nyo siyang infuse like mga Western technicals, no? So like, yan nga, yung plug, bullish plug, meron pa nga falling the roof, no? Or ascending triangle, which is the flag, no? Marami. You have to infuse it, Darvas box. So, yeah. So far, so good. Questions? I hope may natutunan kayo tonight.
Yan. Pasalamat naman tayo kay Ninong.
So that's
Pusuan nyo naman. Merry Christmas, Ninong. Hashtag.
Thank you. Thank you dito ulit. Thank you ulit dito. Oh, newbie. So if newbie kayo, sir, no? Sir Manny Ibarra. So I suggest na go for mastering the Fibonacci retracement. Fibonacci is actually really good enough, no? Kasi pag master mo na ang Fibonacci retracement, manina lang sa'yo to. Manina lang sa'yo tong tawag nito, harmonic trading, no? Harmonic patterns, no? Manina lang sa'yo. It's just that yung beyond na kasi kailangan mo na infuse ng kasi mas marami pang confirmation, the better. The more the confirmation, the better. Okay?
May sinasabi si Buddha Trader. Paano ka daw nila makontak? May page ka daw po ba?
Oh, okay. Actually, kinlose ko yung page ko kasi maraming get, no, ng mga previous. So may nag-report, no, may nag-report, and then meron ako natanggap na report from Facebook, pero ano naman natin yun na hindi tayo troll, no. So, but inano ko siya, no, kinlose ko siya, but yung pagtuturo kasi kinlose ko muna yung batch na meron ako. So, hanggang doon muna. So, until further notice. Wala pang dates sa ngayon.
Oh. Sa mga viewers para natin, may mentorship to si Ninong. Dati no?
Dati. Ngayon
pahinga
close.
siya.
So, pahinga.
Yun. Buti, pinaunlakan tayo. So, pasalamat tayo kay Ninong.
Yo, maraming salamat sa pag-imbita dito, and yeah, the t-shirt. Gusto ko yung t-shirt. Talaga gusto ko. Ang ganda kaya nung quality ng shirt, no?
Yes.
Iba talaga.
Oh.
And pamatay yung logo na.
Yung logo. So, nag-design yan. Shout out kay Buddha. Si Buddha nag-design yan.
Si Buddha ba nag-design ito?
Oo.
Power.
Power yan. Ayun, may tanong.
Discount po ba kapag kilala si WT?
Saan ba yung discount na yan?
Sa t-shirt, wala akong say dyan. No? You have to ask winning trades.
PM na lang. PM na lang.
PM na lang.
Oo.
So, may question si Manny. Yeah. Manny, so, is SG market? No, hindi ako nagtitrade sa SG market. But may mga kakilala ko na nagtitrade. No? Sabi nila, mabagal daw, no? Mas mabagal pa sa PSEI. So, ayaw natin yun. Gusto natin mabilisan. Gusto natin volatility. This is where the money is.
Tama.
So, hindi po ako nagtitrade na SG market. But, Harmonics is kahit saang merkado, no? Forex, commodities, Bitcoin, or cryptocurrencies, no? You can use it.
Mabagal sa SG, tunay. SG market, tunay.
So,
up si Manny Vara. So, yung Ninong, next time na lang yung bot pag paunlakan nyo kami uli. Ulitin natin to.
Sige.
Sige. Wala na ba kayong mga tanong? Ayun, pasalamat na tayo kay Ninong. Ninong, maraming salamat sa pagpaunlak.
may questions
madami kayong natutunan. Mga viewers.
Hopefully.
Ayun, may pahabol si Buddha.
Yeah. Okay, BTC, let's see. Ano ba dito kay Euro. Ano bang gamit yung
BTC USD. May USD yan. Sinvesta. BTC USD.
Let's see what markets will give you. Wow. This is based only for my readings. Wow. Okay, so based on my readings, it can go around 35,000.
Wow.
But this is my potential reversal zone also.
30? 35?
This one is my potential zone also.
Ala, yung 24.
Itong DOS. So, ibang pattern nito guys, medyo but it can go as high as this one.
36.
35.
35.
35K. That one is a long one. So let's go for a short one. Short one. This one.
28.
27, 28. Yep. So yan yung CBTC. So meron pang tanong Kenor and insight. Okay, last na to kay Kenor and kay Manny.
Sige, last na yan. Kasi 2 hours na tayo may get.
So sabi ni Kenor is si APL daw. APL is doing good actually. You can see the volume is there, and it's using the Darbus. Use the Darbus. Okay, so you will use the big one kasi masyado nang mataas yung run mo. Oh man. This is a potential zone. Potential na to. No, potential reversal zone. But let's see that that's only for the it's for the call this for okay. For the pattern. No, pattern itself. So yeah. And masyado na siyang mataas. Take note guys, APL is masyado na siyang mataas. It's really overbought. Kailangan manage yung risk nyo dito. And this is a potential reversal zone na sa akin. No? It can go as much until 3.618. So,
43. Yan.
I think it can go until here. Yeah.
Yan.
Okay.
0.11.
10.8. 1080. Tama ba? 1080. Yeah, 1080. So, it can go as here, but you have to caution to this one kasi super overbought na. Madalang lang ako makakita siguro once in a blue moon yung pumupunta ng 100 yung RSI. So, if you have this kind of 90, normally is pinakamataas na is 90 and then bumabagsak sila. If bumagsak sila at nag-bounce sila kay RSI 70, that is good kasi mas mataas pa yung kanyang pwedeng tahakin. Kaya bumagsak siya dito and then nag-bounce ulit. Mas mataas pa ang pwede niyang tahakin kasi nandito na yung pera level eh. Ito yung pera level eh. Kasi wala tong resistance eh, especially to this one. ATH ito eh. Di ba? So wala siyang resistance. So it can go as high as he wants. So sabi nga nila is, tawag nito yung langit is endless naman yan. So it can go as high. So last, anong insight nyo kay ASEN? ASEN. Same. No?
Yan, all-time high din yan.
All-time high ito. Alam nyo naman, if Ayala is, if someone, what you call is, if a big man, and kilalang CEO, Ayala, And you saw, nag-dip yung stocks niya to 1.38. Come on, it's Ayala. They have always has a plan. He has always has a plan. So, you have to grab it. Okay, anyway. So, okay. I don't like the candle. To tell you honest, I don't like these two candles here. So, pakita natin ng their boss. You have to, saan ba yung, you have to put your trail stop here, sir. Use their boss. So, that box, no? You can use this another box here. Okay. So, use your trail stop. So, I suggest your trail stop would be this 6.63. No? Or if you got it there, 7.37 is quite high na. But you can also use this cut loss point. But medyo mataas na. Take note, we don't like this because pinag-perform siya ng divergence, bearish. And we don't want that. And marami nang kumita. Sino bang ayaw galing siya sa piso, no? Kailangan niya ng pahinga. Come on. You have 400% from that bounce or from that retracement pataas, no? You have 400%. So, sino bang ayaw mag-take profits for that, no? Unless if WT ka, no? Right? So, but hindi pa siya hindi pa siya confirmed. I'm just advising you that put your trail stop. Put trail stop because sa ganitong stock na ATH all-time high, you have to put your trail stop. Sky is the limit, no? Walang limit yan. So you have just to adjust. So once it breaks again, you have to adjust your trail stop. Then break again, adjust your trail stop. Kailangan mong mag-adjust always. Okay. So para hindi nakakain yung gains mo or tawag nila na mabawi yung gains mo na isusoli kay market or even maloloss. So you have to adjust your trail stop pataas. Ang cut loss hindi ina-adjust. Huwag mo i-adjust. Example, nabasag yung cut loss point mo. I-adjust mo sa baba. No, that's not good. So, trail stop ina-adjust. Okay, so that's all for tonight, guys.
Ayan. Thank you.
Maraming
Ninong,
salamat,
thank
guys.
you. Maraming salamat, Ninong, sa pagpa-unlock. Ayan.
Maraming salamat din sa pag-imbita sa akin. Yeah.
Thank you. Ulitin natin to.
Alright, no problem. One more pattern to throw.
Sige.
Yep.
I hope madami kayong natutunan dito. Guys, salamat din sa panonood.
Okay, close ko na yung stop sharing. So,
salamat. I hope madami kayong natutunan dito. Good luck on your trading journey. And enjoy the ride. Bye-bye.
Bye.